Where we are now is where the existing building was built, and this is an extension that was put onto the house as well, and we have done some termite control on this particular extension as well. It's actually covered with a product called Cordon by Bayer, and if we look down below down here, we can actually see part of the cordon that's under the bottom plate of the construction. Okay, also where we've got the existing building and the new building, we had a cold joint in between where the two slabs were meeting. And what we did there in regards to termite control was to install a product called Altus reticulation system. Now, the reticulation system is put in between the two slabs into the soil, and here's a pump up point here where we're going to pump the reticulation system up. We have a manifold here. We also have the pumping up device here that will pump it under 14 psi of pressure and release chemical into the soil, and that will protect the two joints. All right, so here we are again at the front of the house where we can see the render onto the wall, and if we look down further we can see where the render is actually put onto the existing brickwork there. Now what we're essentially doing is digging down to the actual footing of the home here, cleaning off the footing, and we're going to apply a termiticide at 5 litres per linear metre, as termites can enter over the footing of the home, the footing being down here, and in between they can enter and also go up between the actual brickwork and the actual render itself. Also, let's have a look at another interesting situation where we have a front pier of the house here, and on this pier it has been rendered. Inside the brickwork we could have a cavity in there, so what we need to do is to dig a trench around the footing of the pier. We'll also put a series of holes around the concreted parts of the pier and protect the pier from any termite attacks that may be raised by the termites going over the footing of the pier and up and in again. This here is the new extension that we're looking at from the rear of the house before, and we have the cordon protection actually under the bribey flashing that's been installed by the builder, and that's cordon that's been installed there. Also to this new section here, this is where the Altus reticulation system, piping system comes through and meets this courtyard where we have protected the entire courtyard.